Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to fix locked profile on Snapchat app. Did you know that you can fix your locked Snapchat profile within a few hours? Just follow these steps and I'll show you how to do it. Open up any browser on your phone and proceed to support.snapchat.com website. Scroll down to the bottom and click on My Account and Security option. Select My Account is Locked. Now find the section called Need help with something else. Click on Yes next to it. Select I can't access my account. Now, as you can see, if you choose My account is locked, then you will only see that Snapchat can help you with it and it will remain locked. However, if you choose I think my account has been hacked, then it will give you option to contact Snapchat support. Now enter your username and other information and type in that your profile has been hacked and that's why your Snapchat profile got locked. Click on Send afterwards. Snapchat should review your ticket and unlock your profile within a few days. That's how it's done. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to fix locked profile on Snapchat app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.